the body is gonna start from here, and we are only gonna go in the front loops for the next round. And we're gonna single crochet around 24 stitches, only in the front loops of the head. So now we are gonna decrease. We make 3 single crochet in both loops. All around. 2, 3, and decrease. I will meet you at the end. Now we are gonna make 3 single crochet in both loops and make an increase. So 3 single crochet, 1 increase, making this a total of 3 times, 6 times. All around, and at the end we have 30 stitches. Now we have 30 stitches, and we are gonna single crochet all around for 3 rounds. So from round 20 to 22 we are gonna single crochet around 1 stitch in every stitch around. So now I made 3 rounds of 30 stitches each, and in the next round we are gonna make 4 single crochet, 3, 4, and increase. Repeat this 5 more times, so we have 36 stitches at the end. So I finished the round, and now we are gonna single crochet in each stitch around for 2 rounds. Each round has 36 stitches. Now we finished round 25. We're going to continue with round 26 by making 4 single crochet, 3, 4, and make an invisible decrease in the next 2. Repeat this for 5 more times. And I will meet you back. So now we are gonna make 3 single crochet, 3, and in decrease. 3 single crochet, and decrease. Repeat this 4 more times, and I will meet you at the end. So now we finish round number 27, and we have 24 stitches left. Now we are going to continue with 2 single crochet and decrease, and again 2 single crochet, decrease, and repeat 2 single crochet and a decrease all around. Until we have 18 stitches left. I will meet you at the end. So now we have 18 stitches left here, and we are now gonna start stuffing the body. Don't stuff too much yet, because otherwise it will come out here, the stuffing, and will be in the way when you're crocheting. We don't want to crochet in the stuffing. So stuff the body. Generally, always stuff firmly, like towards the feeling of a tennis ball, because the stuffing has the tendency to deflate over time, and we really want to hold the shape of the amigurumi and don't want it to lose the shape. I often see it when people are making like something with a head, that they are not stuffing the head enough, so the part of the chin and everything kind of is like deflating, and the form is not, it's not becoming round, but it's like this. So stuff everything firmly. You can also use the end of your hook and push some stuffing into those areas. I find this really helpful to use the hook, especially these hooks, because this is not doesn't have a flat surface, so it's not so, I don't know the English word, but you know what I mean. Okay, so now we stuff the body, and we have 18 stitches left. So now we are gonna continue with 1 single crochet in the first stitch. I already made this, and invisible decrease in the next 2. This is gonna be repeated around for a total of 6 times. And you can always add more stuffing before you close the bottom completely. So now I finished this round. I have 12 stitches left, and now I'm gonna add more stuffing. And at this point the hook is really useful. You can perfectly stuff everything in with it. With the fingers it's way more difficult. And really stuff firmly now. Or you can also push it like on the sides. When your stitches are small enough, tight enough, you can barely overstuff, I think. You see, it still has this weird shape here. I don't want this. I really want it to be completely round and in the nice shape of the body. Okay, I think that's it. Good. Nice and firm. And now we are going to make the last round and make an invisible decrease in all stitches around for 6 times, total of 6 times. But I now said 6 times, but one trick I'm using is that I like to make only about, yeah, maybe 4 to 5 invisible decreases at the end. So I made 3. 4. Yes, here I'm making 5. Because now when I close, you see, now when I close this last round, I don't want this to be too much like yarn left over. Like, we don't want this to be round. We want some a little more flat bottom. So when you use a little bit less stitches, so it becomes all more, I don't know, more tight, I guess. I will show you in a second. So now I'm gonna use my yarn needle. Can remove this now. And now we are gonna close this round. I also have a tutorial on my YouTube channel how to close the last round. You go from the inside out in the front loops only. So, and now we are gonna pull. So now when I'm hiding this, it's not so much left over. Like, this would be bigger if I had used more stitches. If you know what I mean. Just a little tip from me. So I'm hiding the yarn, making the bottom as pretty as possible. That looks pretty good. Okay. So here we go.